You can quickly transfer your notes from one notebook to another in 3 easy steps. The first step is to blank out this entire page. Use the lasso tool to select any white area, take a screenshot, and copy. Then paste the image and use the arrows to enlarge it so that it covers the background. Duplicate this page for as many pages as you need for your notes, that way you don't have to repeat this step. The second step is to select all of the content from your previous notebook. Make sure if you have any stickers or text boxes that you want to include, that those elements are enabled within the lasso tool. Then copy the material. Depending on how much content you have, this may take quite a few seconds. The last step is to paste your material into your new notebook and resize and reposition everything so that it fits nicely on the page. To reposition or edit any stickers, use the image tool to select it directly. If you need to reposition any text, you can use the lasso tool, but make sure to disable the image option so that you don't pick up the white background. And that's it. Just repeat these steps for all of your other pages and you'll have everything transferred in no time.